Promanade software, using the Easy menu to define a process. Make sure the Easy menu tab is selected, then click Define. You can either accept the default values or key in your own information as required. If you have an existing dataset open, just drag across from the list. Then work your way through the process, saying what is done, preferably in verb-noun format. The left-hand side says what is done. On the right-hand side, if necessary, you explain how to do it. Later, in normal view, you can resequence tasks, add header tasks, and add links to supporting documents and other processes. Once you've worked your way through all the steps in the process, the next step is to decide who all is involved in the process. Again, from the existing lists, you can drag and drop, but if any roles are missing, then anything that you type in will be automatically added to the dataset. Now you say who is responsible for each task. Let's say the operations director has the problems, the systems manager is given the task of finding a solution, the operations director has to get approval, and the systems manager has to get the solution implemented. And finally, who else is involved? No doubt the operations director will tell anyone who will listen about his problems. The systems manager has to speak to possible suppliers, and once he has a recommendation, he will go back to the operations director. In turn, the operations director has to get approval from the MD, and the systems manager will have to consult with Mandos about initial training. Once that's organised, the two directors will be updated. And then to finish, Promanade will create a flowchart from all the details you've just entered. The software will draw the flowchart for you as HTML. But remember that in normal view you can create fully customized and formatted flowcharts for printing, and also publish your entire management system electronically.